In this lesson, you will learn how to graph a linear equation using X and Y intercept. We will solve total 4 problems. We will solve 2 of them using X and Y intercept, and other will solve using slope-intercept form. So moving to the first problem, which is 2x plus y equals 6. So first of all, we find x and y intercept. So the x-intercept is the point where the line crosses the x-axis. At this point, the value of y equals 0. So set y equals 0, solve for x. So 2x plus 0 equals y. So 2x plus 0 gives us 2x equals 6x. Now, to undo this 2, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 2. So here 2 and 2 will cancel out and x equals 6 over 2, which is equals to 3. So here we have x-intercept, which is 3, 0. Now I'm going to find y-intercept of this equation. So at y-intercept, this is the point where the line touches the y. So at y-intercept, x equals 0. So set x equals 0 and find y. So 2 times 0 plus y equals 6. Here's 2 times 0 is 0, so y equals 6. So we have y-intercept, which is 0, 6. So now we have both of intercept, which is x and y. Now let's plot these 2 points in the graph. So first of all, let's plot x-intercept. This is the point 3, 0. So here we have the solution. So now moving to the next problem, we have x plus 3y equals 9. So for x-intercept, y equals 0. So put this y in the equation for finding x. So x plus 3 times 0 equal 9. So x plus 0 equal 9, x equals 9. So here we have x-intercept is 9, 0. And for y-intercept, put x equals 0 for finding y. So put x equals 0 to the equation, which is x means 0 plus 3y equals 9. So here 3y equals 9. So I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 3. So here 3 and 3 will cancel out. Y equals 9 divided by 3. 9 over 3 gives us 3. So we have y-intercept, which is 0, 3. Now plot these 2 points in this graph. So we have x-intercept, which is 9, 0, and y-intercept, which is 0, 3. So let's put x in the graph. We have to move right side from origin to 9 units. So here we have this point, which is 9, 0, which is x-intercept, and to put y-intercept, which is 0, 3. So here we have 0, 3 at the y-intercept, which is 0, 3 here. Now add these 2 points with a straight line. So here our 2 points which I plot in the graph, and joining these we form a line. So here is our solution, a line. And now moving to the next problem. So moving to the next examples where the equations are given in slope-intercept form. To graph an equation in slope-intercept form, the most easy method is to use y-intercept and slope. So the first step is to compare the given equation to the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus c. So if we compare these two equations, so it will gives us m equals -1/3 and c equals -4. So we have y-intercept as 0, -4 and the slope which is equals to 1 -1/3. Let's plot y-intercept which is 0, -4. So here 0, -4, this is our point. I'm going to mark it by red color, which is 0, -4. So here we have slope m equal -1/3. Now remember, the slope is the ratio of rise over run. Since the slope is -1/3, the rise is 1 unit down and the run is 3 unit right. Now starting from this point, starting from y-intercept, I'm going to plot another point using slope. So we have to rise 1 unit which is in negative. So from the y-intercept point, go down 1 unit and move to the right 3 unit. And now I'm gonna plot another point. So go down 1 unit and move another 3 unit to the right. So here we have 3 points. Now let's connect these 3 points with a straight line. So here is our solution. So moving to the next problem, which is y equals 2/3 x plus 1. So first of all, let's compare this equation with y is equals to mx plus c. So if we compare both of these equations, it will give us m equals 2/3, which is slope, and c equal 1, which is y-intercept. So we have y-intercept point, which is 0, 1, and the slope is 2/3. Now plot this y-intercept in the graph, and remember the slope is equals to rise over run. So here 2/3, 2 is our rise and 3 is our run. So plot another point with this y-intercept point. We have to rise 2 units and run 3 units. So rise 2 units from here is 3 and run 3 units from here is here. This is our next point. Now plot another point from this point. So rise 2 unit and run 3 unit, which is here. So let's add these 3 points with a straight line. So here is our solution. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.